Hey, today I'll show you how to send files from your iPhone to your PC. With this method you can send documents, files, photos or videos straight to your computer. So how do you do it? Well, for this method we'll be using Google Drive. This is the application. If you don't have it, you can find it for free on the App Store. It doesn't cost any money. So let's open this app, and first we have to upload our document on our iPhone, and after that I'll show you how to get it from the computer. So once inside the app you'll see a plus button in the bottom right corner. I'll press on it. And let's select upload file. Okay, now if you want to send photos or videos, select the first one, but as I want to send a document, a file, I will select browse. Alright, and inside here I have a test document which I want to send, so I will just select the test document. And I will press on open from the top right, and now let's press on upload. And right now our file is being uploaded to Google Drive. Now let's get to the computer and I will show you how to download the file from there. Alright, and back I am. Now on the computer you have to open an internet browser of your choice, like Google Chrome, Safari if you're using a Mac, Microsoft Edge. Alright, choose one, and in the search bar you have to search for Google Drive, okay? You'll also have the link in the description of the video, is drive.google.com, okay? And very important, sign in with the same Google account with which you sign in on the iPhone, because if you never used Google Drive before, most probably you will have to sign in with a Google account. So once you are in your account, locate here the file which you uploaded. In my case, this is the test document which I uploaded from my iPhone. To download it, you'll have here a download button. I'll press on it, or either you have three dots here and you'll find download right here, and my file has already been downloaded. So this is how to send a file or a document from an iPhone to a PC to a computer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.